Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lesson. It's me, I am Navi again. So today we are going to learn a kind of an emotional idiomatic expression, and that is the cold shoulder. Now, when could you use this idiom in real life situations? Well, that's what this lesson is all about. Now, what is the literal meaning of this idiom, the cold shoulder? Right. The meaning of the idiom is to ignore someone intentionally. All right. When someone ignores you deliberately or intentionally, that's when you could use this expression, the cold shoulder, as well. Now, let's have a look at some example sentences for better understanding as well. Are you ready? Then here we go. The first example sentence in the list is Seema gave the cold shoulder this morning. Now let's think of a scenario. Possibly there is a girl Seema and I used to be very close friends for a long period of time. In due course, what happened is I became the topper of my class. Maybe she would have been so envious that I had scored such decent marks. But without being aware of it, the other day when I tried to strike up a conversation with her, as usual, Seymour really gave me the cold shoulder that morning, which means the moment when I tried to speak up with her, she ignored me and walked away intentionally. I was really hurt that moment and I wouldn't even focus on my works later on. So that's how you would end up using this idiom on a daily basis as well. The next example sentence that I have for you is after Rucha got the new job, a few of her relatives started giving her the cold shoulder. Now let's think of another example where there is this girl Rucha. After attending so many interviews, eventually she was appointed as a manager in a reputed company. Then what happens is since she got the new job, a few of his relatives started giving her the cold shoulder, which means they started avoiding her or they started ignoring her deliberately. It happens everywhere, doesn't it? The thing is, when someone is getting so jealous of you, it's not your fault. The path that you go ahead is obviously right. If you give more attention to such pessimistic people, then absolutely they would block your path right away, right? So do focus on your path. Here is the last example sentence that I have for you, and that is why are you giving me the cold shoulder? Can't you speak? Now, when could you use this expression? Let's think of a situation. Probably there is a man Ron asking his wife that, hey, how about going to a party this evening? But his wife doesn't reply anything. Then again, he's like, hey, Jane, I am asking you, don't you reply for that? But on the other side, she is not ready to give him a response. Maybe she would have been angry with him. That's why she won't reply. Then Ron became furious and he would be like, why are you giving me the cold shoulder? Can't you speak? I'm talking to you only. Which means, why are you ignoring me intentionally? So that's how Ron shouted at her for not responding him properly. So that's it for today's lesson. Hope you have understood on how to use this idiom on a daily basis as well. I'll be back with another new lesson. Until then, you stay motivated. And one more thing, never stop your learning process so that you will improve or enhance your English faster. Thank you.